Hello guys, so in this quick video I'm just gonna really quickly showcase what the SuperTrend Indicator does. And to be honest, I think there's so much like false information. I mean, this is a very simple indicator, and you can follow up from this video into the code review to the website, right? But all this is, guys, right? And because it has only two parameters, a multiplier and a period. Okay, so what it basically does, right? It looks at the close price, right? And as you can see, when the close price, crushes through this line, the super trend kind of loses direction, right? Changes direction. And how do you think this offset is formed? This offset is nothing else than close minus ADR times the multiplier and close plus the ADR times the multiplier, right? So we're actually always plotting. I mean, we only see one channel here, which is the bottom one, right? When we're going up, but apparently there are actually two channels, right? And whenever the top one is broken through, so like it was here, we just hide one, okay? And then when the bottom one is broken through, then we hide the bottom one and change the color. But that's the whole thing. So this is just an ATR trail, right? And as you can see, it only how it trails, right? So it never goes down. So once the price breaks through this, right? We actually, so every bar when it closes, we subtract the close minus ATR, close minus ATR, close minus ATR, and if close minus ATR is higher, right, than the previous value, then we kind of trail it up. But if close minus ATR is actually lower, we just keep it. We just take the previous value. Right, so you see, that's why it's right here. That's why it stays, because close minus ATR, like you see, this bar went down. So actually, close minus ATR on this bar was actually lower than the previous value, right? So that's why I just took it and copied it, right? I'm talking about this bar, okay? So, and that's nothing. There's nothing special about this super trend, okay? So that's all it does. Okay, guys. If you want the code review, follow up. Okay. So I think this should be pretty cool. All right. Take care.